Poppy here. Caffeine BS for June 8th, 2019. After yesterday's fabulous success with my live stream and the millions of new subscribers overnight, like that, I am so happy I could start my own fertilizer company. Oh, well, that's okay. There's only one person watching. Daughter-in-law can see you anytime, right? The other 9 subscribers, I don't know. I guess I don't have to worry about pissing off my sponsors. You know. Just for gits and shiggles, about a month ago I went and looked at the monetization thing. Well, I haven't been on for a year. And I doubt there's going to be 17 million hours of view time on my channel, so. Life's a bitch, then you die. Anyway, I'm waiting for material. My white Delrin is supposed to come in so I can get back on the adjustable hand wheel collar project. Got a carbide end mill coming. A couple of tools that I'm not going to talk about right now because they might be the big secret for next year, or tooling for the big secret for next year. Anyway, I shall go now.